Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to delete your Rakuten account. Let's assume you're logged into Rakuten. If not, tap Rakuten and log into your account. Then you can see your profile icon on the right lower corner. You have to tap on that. After tapping, you'll be in a page interface, something like this. Then you'll have to scroll until you find Contact Us. After you find it, tap on it. After that, you can contact Rakuten and you can choose a topic to get started by tapping on How Can We Help. After tapping, a menu like this will pop up and you have to select the last option, it's something else, by tapping on it. Then you'll be redirected to this page and you can enter your question or concern in the box given below. After writing your concern, you have to tap on Done, which is on the right upper corner of your screen keyboard. And after that, you have to tap on Send Request, which is on the bottom of your screen. Then you'll be redirected to this page and all you can do is wait for an email response from Rakuten. You will receive emails something like this. After you receive an email from Rakuten, you have to do as the email says and your account will be deleted. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.